So here's a little carpet repair attempted by the customer after watching a couple of my videos. So spare piece from the cupboard, just going to check the pile direction, take the piece out that the customer installed. I must say it's really overwhelming to find out that people are watching my videos and having the confidence to give it a go themselves. Although in this case it's not worked, but at least you tried. So I'd like to dedicate this video to all you amazing followers out there for all the likes, the comments and the shares. I really do appreciate all the help and support, and it's nice to know that we're learning and growing together. So back to the repair. We had to perform this one fairly quickly because the landlord was on his way round to have a look, to check the property and more importantly the flooring before he could refund the deposit. So just finishing off nicely. The beige and light white cream colour carpets are actually amongst the hardest to join or patch up. Just going to do a bit of a roll there, just set that up nice and straight, make sure the fibres are all brushed and pushed together nice and beautifully, and it's looking much better. Like and follow for more flooring videos.